and hopefully it'll be shorter. But I'm not going to answer all 56 of those questions. I'm just going to answer the ones that were asked a lot or the ones that I want to answer. So, thank you for sitting here.
I'm like, I want you to say, I'm the most beautiful girl in the world. Sing it, go. So.
She's an interesting character, in part because of the fact that the way she acts and speaks is so disgustingly unbelievable.
So I really do remember before the show, before going on stage, thinking this is for my parents because it's...
I mean, the initial instinct of any rational thinking girl would be to eliminate this most formidable opponent by any means necessary.
But being skinny isn't being healthy. I